Hey everyone, so today we're taking a quick look at Vital Bull, that male enhancement supplement that you might seen popping up in ads lately. But is it actually legit or just another overhyped scam? Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Vital Bull is marketed as a powerful formula to boost male performance, energy, and confidence. The product page looks clean and the claims pretty bold. However, I couldn't find any Trustpilot reviews and honestly no solid third-party reviews at all. That's usually not a great sign. A lack of verified user feedback makes it tough to trust the results they promise. Also, the marketing style feels a bit like those other miracle pill sites: big promises, vague signs, and very little transparency about ingredients or who's behind the brand. Without real customer reviews or clear company info, Vital Bull feels more risky. It could work for some, but there's no solid proof yet. If you're curious, approach it cautiously and definitely talk to a professional first. Try it yourself. Let us know your experience in the comments. And if you enjoy real, honest product breakdowns, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.